Hey everyone, in this video we'll see that how we can delete any node from the beginning of a DoublyCircular list. Let's start. So as you can see in my screen that one DoublyCircular list is drawn over there. So what we have to do, we have to delete this node. So how we can delete that? So for deleting that node, what we have to do? So for deleting the first node, what are the changes that we have to perform? So at this position we have to put the address of FFF2, and at this position we have to put the address of FFF4, and the head should be pointing to this node. So if we can make these changes, it means we can successfully delete our first node. And at last what we have to do, we have to deallocate this memory. So we need an extra pointer, that is del. We'll free that del or will deallocate that del. So I think these portions are clear that what are the basic tasks we have to perform. Now we'll look at the code. As you can see in my screen that I have written delete at beginning. So this is the function, and this condition is for checking that how many nodes we have within a list. So if we have only one node, then we'll store that within del and we'll assign head equals to null. So let's say that we have only one node within a list. We'll just discard this connection, we'll put null here and we'll deallocate this memory. So now what will be the else condition? At first what we'll do, so let me draw a list. Now what we have written, we have written del equals to head. So it means, so let me write A, B, C, C, B, A, C, B, A. So what head contains A. So del equals to head, it means del will contain A and del will be pointing to this node. Now what we'll do, we'll put head prev next equals to head next. It means what is head prev? Head prev is C. What is head prev next? What head prev next contains? It contains A. So we have to remove this A and we have to put B over here, that is head next. So what is head next? That is B. And what is head prev next? Now that is currently that is A. Currently our head prev next contains A. We'll put head next over here. So what is the head next? That is B. So it means this node will point to this node. Now what we'll do, we'll put head next prev equals to head prev. So what is head next prev? What is head next? Head next is B. What is B prev? What B prev contains? B prev contains A. So we'll just put head prev over there. So what is the value of head prev? That is C. So we'll put C over here. It means we have successfully discarded the connection between head node to last node. Now our last node is pointing to the second node and our second node is pointing to the last node. So this is how we can discard the connections. Now what we'll do, we'll just move our head equals to head next. So our head next is still B. So we'll just put head equals to head next. It means the value of our head will be B. So head will be pointing to this node. It means all the connections are discarded. Now what we'll do, what is the last task? That we have to deallocate this memory. So del is pointing to this node, that is A. Del is pointing to A. We'll just deallocate this memory. So you can see that we have successfully deleted the first node from our DoublyCircular list. So you can see that C, the prev of C is B, the next of C is B, the prev of B is C, the next of B is C, because we have only two nodes. So this is how we can delete any element from the beginning of a DoublyCircular list. Now at last what we have to do, we have to deallocate the memory, otherwise it will be a dangling pointer. So I think these portions are clear. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. Now we'll go for the hands-on. So as you can see in my screen that delete at beginning function is over there. This portion is for if we don't have any value within our head, then we'll just print no data present in the list. And this portion is for if we have only one value within our list. And this portion is for if we have more than one value within a list. Now let me compile this code. I have already discussed about these things. Now how many times we are calling the insert and end functions? 5 times. And how many times we are calling the delete at beginning? 6 times. So it means up to this it will delete the value, and at this portion it will just print that we don't have any value within a list. So let me compile this code. 20, 30, 40, 50. If we press enter, what is the first value should be deleted? We have to delete 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, because we'll delete the first value. Let me compile this code. As you can see that at first how many values we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then what is the value we have deleted? We have deleted 10. How many nodes we have in the list? 20, 30, 40, 50. We have deleted 20, we have 30, 40, 50, we have deleted 30, we have 40, 50, we have deleted 40, we have 50, and at last we have deleted 50. So it's printing that no data present in the list. So this is how we can delete the first node from a DoublyCircular linked list. So we have deleted all the nodes from the DoublyCircular list. So we have deleted all the data from the first position. So this is how we can delete any node from the first position. So I think these portions are clear. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.